Okay, BAT audience, we're going to do a little cold start and driving video on this 2006 Jeep Rubicon. All right. As it sits, 85,656. It's about 60 degrees outside right now, just in case anybody wants to know the external temp. While I'm here, I might as well go through a few of the features. So it is a Rubicon, so it's got the old axle locks. We'll go ahead and hit that now. Let's do four-wheel high. There's your four-wheel drive. And then we'll put it in low. There's low. And the axle lock button for the rear and the front. Front, rear. All right. That's all the way in. Oil pressure looks good. Wait till this thing gets warmed up a smidge. Windshield wipers. Rear wiper. This is a hard top only. I have a soft top that we could probably work out a deal at the end of the auction if you want one. Doesn't go to this Jeep, so it's going to have the dark slate top, not the khaki. What else? All the vent speeds. AC blows ice cold. Won't be able to tell from a video, but cigarette lighter, never been smoked in. Brand new unmolested cigarette lighter. Full console. I do have the original radio I will put in with the sale and take a picture of that in the listing. This is a Bluetooth aftermarket. Fits in here nice, but some of us, including myself, like the factory look. Cruise control. Anyway, enough of that. Let's take it for a spin. I like to get it up through highway speeds for you. Put on my seatbelt. And release the brake. All right, let's go for a little jaunt. Driving here. So for a aftermarket lift, this thing drives like a dream. The only thing I did was do a front end alignment just to make sure everything was absolutely on par, and this drives really nice down the road. There's that infamous one crack in the door panel. All right, so we're gonna start up a hill, see how she rolls. All the gears shift nicely, smooth. There's no pulling or vibrating in the steering wheel. as can be. Let's see if we can get up to closer to 60. Alright, so about 2,000 RPMs at 60. Again, no pulling, just drives beautifully straight down the road. I've got 2 fingers on the steering wheel. No excessive noise. This hardtop keeps things fairly insulated. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll drive just a little bit further, and I'll do a walk around video. Brakes work perfect. All the gauges are great. We're at now operating temps. Back seat, great shape. Hard top's great shape. Just a real clean rig. Alright, let's give it a little gas now. Again, going up a hill. And levels out. See the RPMs